Well, we're at one of the lookout points. There's other ones here, but at the top of the mountain here in Funchal in Madeira, and what can you see? Nothing, because we're up in the clouds. Zero view there. Can't see anything. So that's proof of it. Some liquor here. What's this, chestnut liquor?
Yes.
Chestnut liquor. We're going to try some here. God knows we need it, so. Alright, you can see that bottle here. Here's what the bottle was here. Chestnut liquor, that's what it says, Curral. 40 proof, so it's got a little punch to it there. Okay, mine's empty now. There you go, I drank it all. Well, the clouds have parted. You can actually see the village down there. There's some sun coming out. Look at that. Yeah, yeah. Here we go. We're up here in the clouds. Down here, right here, you can see in back me. Clouds parted a little bit. Maybe it was that chestnut liquor that we had that kind of did a little spooky stuff there. A little spooky weather. And made the clouds lift there. You never know. So, and I'm a little spooky too here, but look at that. Seeing the sun coming down there. Alright, gotta get the other camera out now here. Well, it's all foggy here, so we're not going to see very much, but if it was a good day, but it's all fogged in, a little misty here. So, okay, but we're heading down. It's a glass thing. We're going to stand on glass. Alright. Alright, I'm going to test the waters here. Yeah. It's a long way down there, but we're on stuff here, and it's all glass down there, so you are 580 meters above sea level here, so you're taking a precautionary route there, I see.
Yeah, of course. You were standing 8.
So I take the, alright, I did it. We have to count how many people are on here? We're under 500, so.
The highest sea claims. One of the highest sea claims. Well, today we can see things.
Alright.
Remember on the boat,
Still
one
cautious.
of the beaches that we saw there, and Carolina said we have the viewpoint. Basically, we have a beach down.
Travel.
580 meters above sea level.
Over here.
Right
For you to say.
okay, now that we're here at this big lookout that we saw from the boat ride this morning, which maybe I'll put a little insert in here so you can see it as we were going by. But this is what we see now. We're in the clouds. We see nothing here. Nothing. There's a long way down there. You might be able to see a little bit. We walked on the glass here, you know, the glass thing where you walk on it, and you can see it says 580 meters. So that's 1900 feet. No, that's fine. It's 1900 feet. So, but what can we see? Not too much here. But I'm here. I'm at the top. Try to get you a good video of it here. I got my hat off. A little misty, but it's only mist from the clouds here. But that's where it is. We're all in the back here, and you can see in back of me here. And yeah, what else can I say? We're here. It's misty. Sometimes I get misty thinking of you. A little misty song for my fans out there. All right, let's just walk around. Not much to see here. Sorry. Well, you got all kind of decorations up here. Look at these. They're like little flowers and everything that they've done here. Very nice up here. Getting ready for a little festival or celebration up here. So, okay, here we go. We got some back here too. Look at these. They're very nice. Some up here too. Look at this here. Down here made plastic with, we're going to put lights in there too.
Look, she just put it up here so you just threw it like this. You see? to mix all the ingredients. And then and it's preparing your Frenchman's Poncha.
So they already have the juice, the lemon. Now it's the orange juice. Pat, March. Okay. Now the honey.
Honey.
That's what makes it sweet.
And dangerous.
No, it's rum that makes it dangerous.
Now using the traditional.
Squishy that job there.
That's the movement that they do to mix the honey with the juice.
So honey, lemon, orange juice.
Yes, and the rum, of course.
And the rum, oh, of course. Good white rum. It's good.
That's what
More
makes
is
it
better.
dangerous. Oh my god.
Oh, that's for a whole bunch of people there. There we go.
Oh no.
We gotta get a little more.
Really?
Then you add it, going to mix it again.
Wash the thing off there.
And then we mix it again.
Switching around, giving it a good mix. Get a better position there. Huge lemons there, we have huge lemons. And I got this,
Este é da Porta Cruz, exatamente. Nós vamos lá amanhã.
there's a lot of preparation work goes into this.
This factory, that's where we're going tomorrow.
Oh,
this one.
tomorrow, okay.
Very good rum.
I'm looking forward
Everyone
to it.
wants a glass.
Sure. One it out.
They're actually nice. I like them. I like them too.
There you go.
This is
Whole mix.
what the Portuguese normally
Pour it
use
out
during
here.
summertime. When we are sitting
You're all gonna sample it.
here, this is actually very
It'll be
cold.
good.
It doesn't have like lots of calories.
Magnificent. There. So we got them all there. Just counting them out. Make sure we all got one. Yeah, leveling them out. Okay. And make sure they're all filled up there, so they're good. There we go, look at them over here. There we go, look at that. Okay, I'm going to try it now. Here we go. Let's try it and see how it is here.
Can we get an ice
Good.
cube in it?
It's very good. I like it.
Can we get an ice cube in it?
So these are very, very nice here. So here's to all my followers out there and One Man Travel. Here's to you all. Thank you all very much. Have another sip here. Okay, we're in the mirror up here. The bar's right in back of me here. So you can see a lot of stuff in the mirror. They're making all the drinks. They got beer back here. Anything else that you want. Staff is really, they're working hard back there, crushing those lemons, putting the honey in there, doing the swishy thing, the choppy thing, everything to get these drinks out to us. And the drinks were very good. I could have had 3 or 4 of these here. But a good amount of rum and honey. Can't go wrong with that. So, all right, let's move on here. All right. Hey, yay. Thank you.
Yes, everybody
Well, I'm here down by the waterfront. I'm going to have an interview with my friend here. So let's see here, buddy. What can you tell me here? Can you tell me anything? No, he's very quiet here. So he wants to tell me something. What? Okay, he says I should have a decent time here and have a fun time. So I am. All right. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Oh, we're down here at the waterfront. We just had our drinks, and I think we're heading back to the hotel next here. Sounds pretty good. Little fishing village. Those are all the fishing boats out there. Okay. Winston Churchill. He's doing a little painting in here. Painting on here. He's got nothing on there yet, but that's where he is there. Okay.